This EDC has all the best features of modern flashlights at an affordable price. I'm talking about the Folomov EDC H4. Let's unbox it. So opening the box, we have the user manual, the USB-C charging cable, and the lanyard, as well as the flashlight with the built-in 18650 battery included. The EDC H4 has an integrated USB-C charge port for a seamless, fast, and modern charge. The internal 18650 battery supports the light with up to 17 hours of runtime on the lowest mode. The EDC H4 has an IPX6 waterproof rating, guarding from water splashes at any angle. The 2-meter drop resistance and aluminum body add an extra layer of protection outdoors or at work. Simply click through on the side switch to alternate between the 1000 lumen high, 150 lumen medium, and 35 lumen low mode. Double-click to switch between strobe and SOS modes, a nice bonus on the light that adds emergency protection and signaling capability. This light also casts a 200-meter throw on high mode. With carrying options like a trusty pocket clip and lanyard, bring this with you anywhere. An all-around reliable light for emergency kits or power outages at a great value. This is great for your grandma who needs an emergency light, or as a gift for your dad when he takes the dog for a walk at night. It's the perfect around-the-house light. If you're interested in this EDC light or any flashlight at all, check out BatteryJunction.com for all your flashlight, battery, and gear needs. To get the latest in flashlight news, be sure to subscribe to our email newsletter. Consider leaving a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss a new one. All the links are in the description down below.